All right, we've got it all put together, and I've got all my accessories kind of just put here on the off to the side. I mean, this is a cool table. It's got some dust on there because it was covered with oil, so it wouldn't have any rust through transport, but I wiped it off and I've just got some paper towel, remnants on there. I'm probably just gonna, wipe some oil on it every now and then to keep rust off of it. I'm pretty happy. This is cool, man. And for the naysayers, they're like, why don't you just build your own table? For what I would spend on the metal, the time, and everything to build this, and I'm not a freaking I'm not a very skilled welder at this time anyway. I wanted something that I could really practice on, something that would be good for me, a beginner. And if I was to go and try to build a table, I think it would end up turning out all wonky at this point. I'm just wanting something that I can. I'm tired of welding on the ground, on the cement here, and not having like these clamps. Dude, I think it's worth its weight in gold. The pipe, you can put your pipe on here, extra clamps, spacers, or you can butt stuff up to them. Just super cool and great for me, somebody starting out welding or just doing really small projects. I'm really stoked about this, and I'm ready to get a project going with it. So that's my 2 cents. I'm happy with it, and I'm excited to have it.